fix meals are always simple and easy to do, and even though we don't notice, we are not using lots of oil and spices and things too. So I'm going to show you another simple and easy one pot meal using shrimp or prawns. You can use either fresh prawns or cooked prawns, it doesn't matter. If you are using larger prawns, you need to peel them. And I have 100 milliliters warm water, 1 tomato, 2 carrots, half a bunch of spring onions, 2 eggs, salt, pepper and cumin powder, always to your taste, a quarter cup of sweet peppers, you can add chilies instead, 4 grams instant dry yeast, enough flour to make the dough, and 250 grams prawns. Leave it to brew and let's do the vegetables. So let's cut the vegetables first. Grate the carrots or chop finely. Add into a bowl. Chop the tomato. Add into the bowl. Next, the spring onions. Add it into the bowl too. Now chop the prawns finely. Add the prawns too. Sweet peppers. This is actually pickled, so it gives a nice sweet and sour taste to the prawns. Add in. Now into the same bowl, break the eggs. Into that, add the salt, pepper and the cumin powder. You can add garlic, onion or anything else that you wish to add in. More the vegetables and the fish, it makes it nutritious. So feel free to add any vegetable. So mix it well. Now into that add the flour. I'm adding half a cup of flour first and then I'll keep on adding because the tomatoes are watery and then the prawns will give a bit of more liquid. Mix. The yeast has already activated, so mix it and add the yeast into it and mix. After, add another half a cup. Mix and a bit more. Now I'm going to leave this to rest about half an hour. Cover with the wet cloth and leave it in a warm place. So the dough is ready. I left the dough about half an hour. So let's cook this. You can't add more flour. It has to be a bit runny like this. If you add too much flour, it becomes very tough and won't cook properly. Now add some oil into a pan. It's best to use non-stick pans and brush the oil all over. After, if you like to make smaller ones, you can make smaller or put the whole lot into the pan and spread it evenly. And the secret of cooking a nice bread is controlling the heat. I always talk about controlling the heat. It's best to control the heat when you cook in a pan. So this will take 5-6 minutes. If you put this in the oven, it takes like half an hour to 40 minutes. So it's easy to cook in the pan. And I get requests asking for pan recipes too, for those who don't have an oven. So close the lid and cook about 5-6 minutes on one side. After, put the bread upside down. You can invert a plate and put it upside down onto the plate. slide it back to the pan. So I'm going to cook another 5 minutes on the other side and it's done. So it is ready to serve. You can cut it into wedges. Once you cut, this is how it looks like. So this is really good to serve with some tomato sauce chutney or even with some sour cream. So this is a nice soft and moist bread that you can create in few minutes. So easy and simple. Hope you will enjoy this. See you next time.